The music.
ADC seems to be like a new party in River State that will be looking to wrestle power from the APC and the PDP.
Just hold on. Just hold on.
And we know that you are one of the leaders of the ADC, not just in River State, but at the national level. But coming down to your River State being your base, how prepared is this party to wrestle power from your two former parties, the PDP and the APC?
I don't think this is the appropriate time for you to ask the question. It's a bit too early. I continue to tell people that when they say, by this time APC was hot everywhere when we were in the opposition. But you've forgotten that by that time, what they saw as APC was the governor's forum. So the governors were fighting against the PDP and the then president. Now, that allowed APC time to build. So the society must know that we don't have governors that are in power that are fighting with the president. So the focus is on ADC, but they must give us time to build. We have to build a party that is formidable, that can confront the party and the government in power. And I can tell you for free that we think we'll get there. Why do we think we'll get there? Just opening the portal for registration. Individuals without being mobilized with their own money are registering. It is by Monday that I think the party will start mobilizing people to go and register. That's what I think. Are we doing well? The answer is yes. Are we ready to confront the party in power? We will sit and watch the people and the government in power. Why? Poverty, hunger, insecurity. You people think insecurity is only in the north. On our way to Ubima, people were shooting. On our way back, people were shooting. So insecurity is not just in the north, it's also here. The difference between that of the north and here is that this one is sponsored. You could see them carry guns. They were not running away. They were confronting the police. So these are issues that you need to address, and this government is incapable of addressing them. They are partisan. If not, why would you see young boys carrying guns at Omama and you would arrest them?
Your immediate successor has said it time and again that it will be difficult for ADC to have a foothold in River States. How do you intend to come out of that?
I don't address my subordinates, my commissioners, my chief of staff, all those who worked under me. It would be disrespectful for you to ask me a question to answer about them. When God has made me governor, I should respect myself by not talking to those who worked under me, who took directions and directives from me. I will not sit down and talk about them.
Yes, what is the cause of the IG concerning the attack at Olawale today?
At where?
Ubima.
Okay. Well, I've said it. I said the government. Look, I was grateful to both the Commissioner of Police and to the Director SSS. They responded. They sent Insecurity to go with us to Ubima to conclude the registration and out of Ubima. The next thing is I told the Commissioner of Police and Director SSS, those who participated in that crime must be brought to book. If they don't do that, then the police has taken a position, right? So, and one problem Nigeria has is consequences for action. If there are no consequences, these boys will think that nothing can happen to them. And what does that do? It grows violence, it builds violence, it initiates more violence. And I don't think that's the best way to go.
Sir, now, as it stands, so the intimidation, the APC-led federal government parties, what are the measures our political party, the ADC, are doing for that?
I thought the president said they were popular. I thought those people were asking about said they were popular. All these measures, what they're doing is panic measures. They are scared. If you're not scared, let's meet on the field. Let the people choose who they want to choose. What they're doing is they're trying to force people on the people. They're trying to force politicians on the people. Now, what ADC provides for you is an opportunity to choose who the right person is. What is a countermeasure to intimidation? What is a countermeasure to intimidation will be independent of mobilization. You must bring out the people. The reason why they are doing what they are doing is they want apathy. They don't want you to come out and vote. Because if you come out and vote, you certainly won't vote for APC. If you want to vote for APC, you want to ask yourself, what have they done? Okay, the noise was Lagos Calabar Coastal Road. Where is the Lagos Calabar Coastal Road? I was Minister for Transport. I can show you evidence of what I have done. Itapewari is there. Lagos, Ibadan. They are using it. APC, PDP, everybody's using it. Kano, Kaduna, under construction before we left. I don't know where they are now. Kaduna, Abuja. Those were things that we did under Buhari. The seaport in Lagos, the Lekki Deep Seaport. Let this government show one thing they have done, either in the north or in the south, apart from stealing money.
All right, sir. The APC has commenced its membership registration, and a few minutes ago, you officially registered as a member of the ADC. Now, what's your message to the Rivers people ahead of the 2027 general election?
That they should go and register with ADC. The more we are, the difficult for them to come after us. Gentlemen, I think that's enough, right?